Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we explore the question, is Lee Goldberg, the meteorologist for WABC TV in New York, gay? Let's dive into what is publicly known about his personal life. Lee Goldberg was born on the 4th of October 1972. He earned a B.S. in meteorology from Cornell University and has been a prominent TV meteorologist at WABC TV since 1996. Over the years, he has become a well-known face in the tri-state area thanks to his work on major newscasts and his expertise in severe weather. Is Lee Goldberg gay? In terms of his personal life, publicly available information states that Lee Goldberg is married to his wife, Jessica Goldberg, with whom he has 2 children. He lives in Somers, New York, and shares family photos and posts on social media reflecting his role as a husband and father. There is no public record or credible statement from Lee Goldberg indicating that he identifies as gay. His family life and marriage are presented as heterosexual and monogamous in every reliable source. As of now, Lee Goldberg continues his role as chief meteorologist at WABC TV. He remains publicly active in his profession and in community engagements. He has not publicly discussed his sexual orientation beyond the information already available about his marriage and family. So, to answer the question, no, there is no verified information to suggest Lee Goldberg is gay. Based on his public profile, he is married to Jessica and has a traditional family structure. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Where Are They Now style stories.